This unstable spine is about to be rebuilt. Have you ever wondered what happens when the bones in the spine become unstable or move painfully? The answer is spinal fusion surgery. The spine is made up of many small bones called vertebrae. Between these bones are soft discs that act like cushions and allow the back to move. Sometimes, because of arthritis, a slipped disc, a fracture, or a spinal condition, the bones become unstable. This can cause severe back pain, leg pain, numbness, or weakness. If other treatments no longer help, doctors may recommend spinal fusion surgery. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia. This means the patient is asleep and won't feel anything during the procedure. The surgeon makes an incision over the affected part of the spine. The muscles are gently moved aside to expose the damaged vertebrae. Now comes the most important step. If a damaged disc is causing the problem, the surgeon carefully removes it to relieve pressure on the nearby nerves. Next, a small spacer, called a cage, is placed into the empty disc space. The cage helps restore the normal height between the bones. The surgeon then places bone graft around the damaged area. This bone graft encourages the two vertebrae to grow together into one solid bone. To keep everything stable while the bone heals, metal screws are inserted into the vertebrae. Strong metal rods are attached to the screws, holding the spine in the correct position. The surgeon checks that everything is secure and that the spine is properly aligned. Once everything looks good, the muscles are returned to their normal position, and the incision is closed with stitches. Over the next several months, the bone graft slowly grows, joining the two vertebrae together into one strong, solid bone. This process is called fusion. As the spine becomes stable, pain often decreases, and many patients are able to return to their normal daily activities with much greater comfort.